Bitcoin money cost commonly equivalent to $247.25 a coin in a really significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, $238.63 to $255.49, in a quite huge way. The earlier day close, $239.58. Which is very huge. The change in every practical sense was plus 7.67, plus 3.20% in an unobtrusive way. Backwards rate, United States dollars to BCH, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not so distant future, end month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $233, lovely greatest 249. Really least 217 in a quite huge way. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost $235, truly greatest 251, lovely least 219, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $235, greatest 251. Genuinely least 219 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, July 27, cost $235, genuinely most extreme 251, exceptionally least 219, exhibiting that today's exchanged cost range, $238.63 $255.49. Incredibly, Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $237, most certainly greatest 254. Really least 220. In multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $230, all things considered, most extreme 246, least 214 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $227, truly most extreme 243. Especially least 211 in an exceptionally significant way. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost $218, genuinely most extreme 233, essentially least 203, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $210, sort of most extreme 225 in every practical sense. Least 195 in a genuinely enormous way. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, August 4, cost $204, genuinely most extreme 218, kind of least 190 in a sort of enormous manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $210, most extreme 225, lovely least 195 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $209, kind of most extreme 224, beautiful least 194, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $216, especially most extreme 231, exceptionally least 201, exhibiting how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $216, beautiful greatest 231. Least 201 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost $211, genuinely greatest 226, kind of least 196, exhibiting that Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost $235, truly most extreme 251, by and large least 219. Showing that today's exchanged cost range, $238.63 $255.49 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $206, truly greatest 220, fundamentally least 192, essentially further appearance, how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $210, truly most extreme 225, lovely least 195, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $209, truly greatest 224, least 194 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $212, really greatest 227, especially least 197. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $211, certainly greatest 226, most certainly least 196, showing how Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $204, essentially most extreme 218, fundamentally least 190 incredibly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $196, exceptionally most extreme 210, kind of least 182, showing how Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $204, especially greatest 218, lovely least 190 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $192, truly most extreme 205, least 179, which especially is very huge. In about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $197, certainly most extreme 211, genuinely least 183 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $189, most certainly greatest 202, beautiful least 176, exhibiting that Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, August 22, cost $189, kind of most extreme 202, kind of least 176. United States dollars to BCH today. United States dollars to BCH conversion standard in every way that really matters, equivalent to 0.4044 coins per $100 in a for the most part huge manner. Today's reach, 0.3914 0.4191 in an unpretentious way. The past day's nearby, 0.4174, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Change for now 0.0130, 3.11%, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, July 24, cost 0.429 coins, for the most part greatest 0.461. Genuinely least 0.402, exhibiting that Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $196, sort of most extreme 210, essentially least 182, showing how Bitcoin money figure on Friday, August 4, cost $204, truly greatest 218, certainly least 190. Or so they really thought. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.426 coins, greatest 0.457, fundamentally least 0.398, which for the most part is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.426 coins, lovely most extreme 0.457, especially least 0.398. So Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $206, genuinely greatest 220, by and large least 192, further appearance how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday,